talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your BodyFast app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me down here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click here on this sign, then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on notifications. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just come here to at the end of a fasting period, come here to shortly before it ends, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here at the end of fasting a period shortly before it end. This simply with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.